we actually inspire other women by saying that yes, we are here, we are born, we are the best creation of universe, we are the best God's creation. The second thing, be a role model. So be a model of being compassionate, to do good for others, pure karma, that is positive karma. Talented, everybody is very beautiful in their own world. Just show your true potential, just show what you really are, and you are going to rock the world.
Kya baat hai. Brilliant. Let's have a round of applause for that. Brilliant. Where do you see going? Meghna Yadav comes with so much of experience, and she's put it in such beautiful words, where she also agrees with some of the participants who've come over here and said that life is a roller coaster of ups and downs. But she added another word that is new for this part of the entire event, and she said, celebrate every moment. It's about celebration, the ups and downs. Because, you know, if you can make peace with all the failures, though I believe there are no failures ever, there is only either success or there is a learning, and learning is also a success. So let's look at it that way. But if you think you didn't achieve and you failed, if you can make peace with that and enjoy that moment, I think everything else is sorted out in life, because that's what makes you more confident. Yes, you have everything you have, right?
Yes.
So welcome. Wonderful to have you over here, Meghna. How are things been? And how do you find the platform? How has life been? And what thrusted you into this atmosphere? All the 4 questions packed into one.
The journey is beautiful. That's all what I would love to say. And starting from the time when I got the mail that I'm one of the finalists, so it was like a victory for me as a woman at this phase of life where we have taken a backseat for some time from our professional careers to raise our children into the best of environment, inculcate the best of values. This platform has actually given me wings to fly. So I am really grateful to Team Mrs. India, where we can showcase our talent and potential. And the journey is really beautiful because we were given a lot of tasks. And that is where I have realized that, yes, I am talented, though I may have taken a backseat for some time. But this is the platform which showcases everybody's talent, and people who have actually, they have, they are under the pressure of a lot of responsibilities and roles, taking care of their families. This is the platform where we can create our own identity.
Absolutely.
So yes, the journey is very beautiful.
Finding yourself.
Finding my own self. So yes, after a long time, I have found myself. I have found the real Meghna, which was behind covers for a pretty long time because of her professional, her personal commitments. So yes, this is a beautiful journey, and thank you so much for this platform, this opportunity. I feel so blessed.
So all the people who are watching this, you know, dust those covers and just वो जो canvas है कार के ऊपर जो रखा हुआ है, the Ferrari that is you, just take it off, because you're there to shine, and all you need to do is uncover yourself, right? That's what it is, and that you do by discovering yourself. Yeah. Yes. What does Queen of Substance mean to you? If I can, sorry, if I may say that, what do you think is substance actually in a woman?
Substance in a woman is one, to inspire and to empower women. So we actually inspire other women by saying that yes, we are here, we are born, we are the best creation of universe, we are the best God's creation. The second thing, be a role model. So be a role model of being compassionate, to do good for others, pure karma, that is positive karma, and to lay an example for other women there. And third is to bring a very positive change, not only into the society, but also into the world. So for me, a Queen of Substance is a woman who inculcates all of these qualities.
All right. Karma, helping others and bring a change in the society and in the world. Yes. Brilliant. And a word for all the participants that you see over here, whom you have met. And what do you think about that? The entire camaraderie that exists?
Everybody is very talented. Everybody is very beautiful in their own world. Just show your true potential. Just show what you really are, and you are going to rock the world.
Kya baat hai. Brilliant. Let's have a round of applause for that. Brilliant. Where do you see going from here? After this entire event is over, the memories of these and all that you've learned from here, Now that you say that you have discovered yourself, where do you see yourself heading to?
I see myself to fly, because that is the kind of thought I had when I came here, that I just want to fly here to not to stop. Now I'm not going to stop anymore. Now I'm just going to move ahead. Since I have been into a lot of NGO work, because I love helping underprivileged children, and I'm a very spiritual person. So I would love to be connected and to give some kind of a contribution to the society
Wonderful.
and to mankind. So yes, I would want to be a role model for everybody here, and especially for the women who have not been onto this platform, this prestigious platform. So
Brilliant. So
yeah.
I'll add another. You are Meghna Yadav. I'll add another surname to you because you said now you're not going to stop. So let's start calling her Meghna Yadav Unstoppable from now. Probably you can change your Insta handle also to that and give me the credit for that one, right? Wonderful having you over. Let's have a round of applause for Meghna Yadav.
Thank you so much.
Lovely speaking to you,
Thank
Meghna.
you.